Alright boys and girls, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's me Richie Kevin. You're watching Want to Step YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Lloyds Bank. So for those people who do not know Lloyds Bank is a British retail and commercial bank, which means it's basically like government owned bank, and its branches across England and Wales. So there's basically a lot of facility if you open your account in Lloyds Bank. Alright, if you guys want to know about it, like their interest rate and their loans and their other facility they provide to their bank user, you guys can visit the official website of Lloyds Bank to know more about it. Alright, but this video is not on that. This video is on how you guys can log in into it. So it's pretty simple. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. First step is you just want to go to your search engine and search for Lloyds Bank. After you search for Lloyds Bank, you just want to click on where it says Lloyds Bank, personal banking, personal finance and bank. You just click on it. It's going to take you to the official website. Once you're over here, basically you just want to click on login over here. Now once you click on login, it's going to ask you if you want to log in into your personal bank or a business bank. Now you want to choose the option. If you guys have a personal account, go for personal. If you guys have a business account, you want to click on business. I have a personal account. I'm going to click on personal. Alright, basically after clicking on personal, it's going to take you to like the login page of a personal bank. Once you're over here, you just want to enter a user ID. After enter a user ID, basically you want to enter the password of your account. And after enter the password of your account, you just want to click on where it says continue. After you do that, basically you should be able to log into Lloyds Bank if your user ID and password you enter over here is correct. Alright, and if you guys forgot your login detail, you can just click on it and recover your account as well. So that's basically how you guys can log in into Lloyds Bank. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. It's me Richie Kevin and I'm signing off. Bye bye. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.